Today, South Africans kill Africans. The reason they say they steal their jobs. This is amazing. It's amazing because we South Africans don't want to travel and see what other South Africans are doing in other African countries. We steal bigger jobs in Africa. We steal malls. We steal all the contracts to build malls in Africa. All the shops that are in the malls in everywhere, every country in Africa, they are South African shops. All the monies that the other countries like Zambia, Kenya, Zimbabwe, Mozambique, Botswana, Malawi, DRC, all these countries, all their money comes to South Africa. These people, they have no jobs. They have no opportunities. They've worked hard. They've studied. They've done everything that they can do. There's no jobs in their countries. They have skills. They cannot work in their countries because we take all the opportunities. They cannot work in their countries because we build the malls for ourselves, South Africans. We take everything from them. Everything. They can't feed their families. They come here, they explore their skill. They do what they can do just to feed their families. They are people. They are human beings like us. They are Africans like us. But we are the ones who are killing them. We are the ones who are saying they must go back home. Why? Please, anyone who supports this xenophobia thing should just go outside South Africa and see what's happening and come back and tell us that yes, indeed, these people must go home. There's no home to go back to. There's no food to go back to. Their kids are suffering. We live here. We go to Africa. We come back with dollars. We get paid in dollars in Africa. We take their money back to South Africa. Most of us are rich because we go outside the country. Most of us are rich because we got everything that is outside the country. We got all the resources that these guys are producing. We take them back to our country. But we are very proud to kill them. Why? Today I'm ashamed as a South African.